Exercise number 1.1. Exercise number 1.1. VSAQ. VSAQ. First Roman 1. Integral 2 into x power 7 dx. X power 7 dx. Listen. 2 into integral x power n dx, that is in the form of x power n. What is the x power n formula? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So 2 into x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, 2 into x power 8 by 8. Write the answer. X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. 2 table, 4 times cancel. Second problem. Integral 2 into x into root x. Listen. First listen. 2 into x into root x dx. First listen. X into x power 1 by 2. Bases are equal. Add the powers. 2 into integral x power 1 plus 1 by 2 x power 3 by 2 dx. After simplification of this function, we get x power 3 by 2. That is in the form of x power n. Integral of x power n, n plus 1 by n plus 1. So 2 into x power 3 by 2 plus 1 by 3 by 2 plus 1. 2 into x power 2 LCM 2 plus 3 5 by 2 by 5 by 2, that is 4 by 5. Take its reciprocal. X power 5 by 2 plus c. Next, fourth bit, integral x plus 1 by x whole cube dx. X plus 1 by x whole cube dx. Whole cube dx. Listen. First, apply a plus b whole cube formula. See on the board. A plus b whole cube. A cube plus 3a square b. 3ab square plus b cube. So, integral a cube 3 a square b plus 3 a b square plus b cube First listen. Integral x cube, x cancel, 3x, 3x into 1 by x square, x cancel, 1 by x cube dx. All of you listen. Integral x cube, x power 1, 3 into 1 by x, 1 by x cube, x power minus 3 dx. All of you listen. X power n plus 1 by n plus 1, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, integral of 1 by x, whose derivative is 1 by x, log x derivative 1 by x. So integral of 1 by x, log mod x. Next apply n plus 1 by n plus 1. Listen, there is 1 by x cube function. All of you listen. 1 by x cube function. We know the formulas. 1 by x, log mod x, 1 by x square minus 1 by x. We know these two formulas. Integral of 1 by x, log mod x, integral of 1 by x square minus 1 by x. These two are in the first list. Other than these two, suppose given 1 by x cube, x power 4, x power 10, x power 100 and so on. Other than 1 by x and 1 by x square, 1 by x log mod x, 1 by x square minus 1 by x. Other than these two, write x power minus 3, x power minus 4, x power minus 10, x power minus 100. After that one, apply x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 formula. N plus 1 by n plus 1, n plus 1 by n plus 1. So x 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 plus 3 into x power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1, 3 into log mod x plus x power minus 3 plus 1 by minus 3 plus 1. So final answer is x power 4 by 4, 3 x square by 2 plus 3 mod x. This is minus 2, minus 2 minus 1 by 2, x power minus 2 plus c, or write this one as 1 by x square. Write down 3 power log x square base 9 dx. First simplify the given problem. Last step only the integration formula. We apply the integration formula in the last step only. Up to that one, just a simplification. Listen carefully. In this problem, we apply a new formula. A power log x to the base a equal to x. A power log x base a equal to x. When these two bases are equal, when these two bases are equal, this is the answer. See, First, remove this minus. Integral 3 power, listen, x square base 9 means 3 square. Integral 3 power, there is log function 2 by 2 log x dx, log x dx. This 2 is this one, this 2 is this one, this minus is this one. 2 cancel. Bases are equal, but there is a symbol minus. First remove this minus symbol. 3 power log x power minus 1 base 3 dx. Bases are equal. Base 3. So bases are equal. So total value is x power minus 1. Listen, x power minus 1 dx. Integral of 1 by x dx. X power minus 1 means 1 by x. From this step to this step, simplification of the problem. Last step is the integration formula. Integral of 1 by x log mod x plus c. Listen again. Given problem is this one. We apply this formula. A power log x base a equal to x. So there is base 3 and there is base 9. First equating these two. 3 power minus log x square base 3 square. There is a log function. It becomes 2 numerator. It becomes 2 denominator. Minus 2 by 2 log x base 3. 2 cancel. So there is a minus symbol. First remove this minus symbol. Becomes 2 power minus 1. So a power log x base a. Bases are equal. So total value is x power minus 1. X power minus 1 means 1 by x. So these steps are simplification of the given problem. Last step only the integration formula. Integral of 1 by x log mod x plus c.